All right, it's time to talk about direct object pronouns. So first of all, we have to understand what is the direct object. We're going to look at some examples in English to help you better understand. A direct object is the noun, which is a person, place, or thing, that receives the action of the verb. Basically, it answers the question, who or what. So an example, I have the book. Who or what is being had? The book. The book is receiving the action of the verb have. She sees me. Who or what is being seen? Me. That is the direct object. We order food in the restaurant. Who or what is being ordered? Food. The waiter serves soup to me. Who or what is being served? That would be soup. Okay, so follow along on your worksheet now. What is the direct object? I want you to underline the direct object of each sentence. Who or what is receiving the action of the verb. So, uno, the students need a notebook. Who or what is being needed? Dos, Señor McKinney eats chocolate every day. Who or what is being eaten? Tres, the teacher helps the students. Who or what is being helped? Cuatro, can you see us? Who or what is being seen? Cinco, I understand you. Who or what is being understood? Seis, they want vegetables. Who or what is being wanted? Is that what you got? A notebook, chocolate, the students, us, you, vegetables. These are the direct objects of the sentence. Okay, now that you know what a direct object is, what are direct object pronouns? Well, they replace a direct object, and the pronoun goes before the verb. So, for example, I have the book. The book is a direct object. In English, we would replace the book with the word it if we wanted to shorten it up. It is the pronoun. So you could say, I have it instead of the book. In Spanish, your example would be, yo tengo el libro. We would replace el libro with the word lo, which you'll find out in a few minutes. That's a word for it. Goes before the verb tengo. So you'd say, yo lo tengo. Another example, the waiter serves the food. You would replace the word the food with it if you want to shorten it up. You have the waiter serves it. Spanish, you would have el camarero sirve la comida. You would replace la comida with the word la. Put it before the verb sirve, and you now have el camarero la sirve. So, direct object pronouns. Me for me, te for you, lo for him or it as in a singular masculine object, for example, el libro. La, her or it, a singular feminine object, such as la ensalada. Nos for us, os for vosotros, only in Spain. Los for them, or masculine, a plural masculine item such as los libros. Las, also them, but a feminine word, also used for plural feminine objects such as las ensaladas. You'll notice that they're really, really similar to what you would use with gustar. Me, te, le, nosos, les. The first four on the top are the same. The bottom four are not. So, let's try it. First sentence, yo tengo el libro. If we replace el libro with a direct object pronoun, we would replace it with the word lo. It is a singular masculine item. It is it. It's not a person, so I use it, lo. Lo would go before the verb. The verb is tengo, so now you have yo lo tengo. Instead of saying I have the book, you now say I have it. Second example, ella quiere la ensalada. La ensalada, again, not a person, replace it with the word it. But this one's feminine, so I'm going to use the word la. I'm going to put la before the verb, which is quiere. I now have ella la quiere. Instead of she wants the salad, now she wants it. Yo entiendo tú. Tú is a person. That's you. So you would replace that with the word te. Te goes before the verb entiendo. You now have yo te entiendo, for I understand you. Señor McKinney ve los estudiantes. Señor McKinney sees the students. The students are people, them. We're going to assume that there are, because of the word los, that there are a mixture of masculine and feminine. So we replace los estudiantes with los. Goes before the verb ve. You now have Señora McKinney los ve. Señora McKinney sees them. Last example. Yo como las hamburguesas. I eat the hamburgers. This one is las. It says it right there in the sentence. It is not a person, but it is a plural feminine word. You're going to replace it with the word las. Again, the las goes before the verb como. As soon as that goes away, you will see yo las como. Okay, last part of your worksheet. I want you to practice. Follow along. I want you to identify the direct object. Decide which pronoun to use and decide where it goes. It always goes before the verb of the sentence. Remember, the verb is the action. So here's my example sentence before I set you loose and practice on your own. El camarero quiere la propina. The waiter wants the tip. So first step right here, identify the direct object, underline it. La propina is the direct object because who or what is being wanted, that would be the tip. That's step number 1. Step number 2, which pronoun would replace la propina? It's not a person, it is a singular feminine word. You got the word la, so la. That would replace la propina. And you already see that la goes before the verb quiere, so now you have el camarero la quiere. All right, your turn. And if you feel so inclined, feel free to watch this video multiple times so that you truly understand. And I will explain it a little bit more when I see you next in class. Adios.